When we decided to create a wall-friendly product, we really wanted to make the solution as easy and intuitive as possible. Our well-known 5G fold-down installation system is the easiest and fastest and most reliable installation system on the market. So we really wanted to bring these benefits into the wall installation system as well, and that is what we call 5G Climb. As you can see, the only things you need is a 5G planks and some 5G Climb clips here. You easily click together the 5G planks and then you use the 5G Climb to keep it in the position at the wall. You will use the 5G planks as rails on the wall. With the 5G Climb technology, you get a 2-in-1 solution, meaning that the same panels that you can use for the floor, you can also now make them climb the wall. It's an easy and simple solution and can create a wow factor for any room.